Adjective phrases help to add more description and information to your sentences. In this video, we will talk about what an adjective phrase is and how to use them in sentences. Welcome to Writing better sentences, paragraphs, and essays. What is an adjective phrase? It is a group of words that acts as an adjective by describing a noun. In this sentence, there is one adjective describing the word truck. It is a used truck. If we rewrite the sentence using an adjective phrase, it will give more details to describe the noun. I am looking for a reliable and affordable used truck. We now have more information of what kind of used truck that we're looking for. I will explain this further later in the video, but an adjective phrase is different from an adjective clause. An adjective clause has a noun and a verb, but an adjective phrase contains a noun but no verb. In English, we have a proper order for how to use adjectives in a sentence. The order begins with a determiner, such as the, our, these, followed by the quantity, for example, one or many, and then an opinion, such as delicious, brave, or disgusting. Here's an example. The one brave soldier, the one brave student, our many delicious desserts, coffees, meals. Then the list follows with size, age, shape, color, and origin or material. Let's look at a few examples. The tasty, large, round pizza. We do not say the round, large, tasty pizza, or the round, tasty, large pizza. Here's another example. Two beautiful new oval diamond rings. A brown wool sweater. Again, we do not want to change the order by writing something like a wool brown sweater. An adjective phrase can be deleted from the sentence without changing the meaning of the sentence. I bought a reliable and affordable used truck. If we take out the adjective phrase, we are left with the sentence, I bought a truck. The meaning of the sentence has not changed, although with the adjective phrase, there is more description of the truck. The dog's large, loving eyes were hard to resist. If we take out the adjective phrase, we are left with this sentence. The dog's eyes were hard to resist. An adjective phrase can contain comparative or superlative adjectives. The brown dog was friendlier than the white one. The phrase friendlier than the white one is describing the dog. He sold only the purest honey in his store. An adjective phrase can also have compound adjectives, as in this example. Beatrice Potter is a well-known British author. Or in this sentence, the English-speaking tour guide was very friendly. It can also sometimes have adverbs. It was a surprisingly difficult test. An adjective phrase can also incorporate prepositions. The manager from Chicago came for a meeting. And as we've already seen, it can contain a list of adjectives. I love my shiny new red bicycle. I mentioned at the beginning of this video that an adjective phrase is different from an adjective clause. An adjective clause has a noun and a verb, but an adjective phrase contains a noun but no verb. The truck which I bought last year has stopped running. Here you can see a noun, the word I, and a verb, the word bought. This is an adjective clause, not an adjective phrase. It has a noun and a verb. It was totally dark except for the lantern that helped to lighten the path. The words that helped to lighten the path are describing the word lantern. However, I think you can see again that there is a verb here, the word lighten. It's an adjective clause. My cousin Sally, who is funny and successful, looked lovely that day. Again, you can see that there is a verb in this group of words, so it makes it an adjective clause. If we change our sentence to this, my cousin Sally is funny and successful. Now we have an adjective phrase. There's no verb in the phrase. If you want to know more about adjective clauses, sometimes called relative clauses, I have another video about how to use adjective clauses in your writing, which you might want to check out. Here are a few more adjective phrase examples. The destructive new policy would surely cause problems. The conversation was about the newly released memo. The much-needed improvements were welcomed by all. He was taller than his father. The problem was very difficult to solve. You can see that an adjective phrase can come before the noun it is describing or after the noun it is describing. So to review, an adjective phrase gives more details to describe a noun. An adjective phrase can be deleted from the sentence without changing the meaning of the sentence. An adjective phrase is different from an adjective clause. An adjective clause has a noun and a verb, but an adjective phrase contains a noun but no verb. I hope this video has helped you to know how to write and how to use adjective phrases in your writing. If you need help writing essays, you can watch more of my videos, or you might want to check out the printable workbooks that I have available. The link is in the description below. Happy writing!